Hi Robert, I hope you're doing well. So I'm making this video to explain the board that I developed for you for LinkedIn automation to send connect invites, messages, Twitter connects, and all the other stuff that we discussed. It's a quick video explaining everything how you can use this board on your Windows PC. Well, I'm sending you this zip file. You have to extract this zip file in a simple folder like this one, and then open this folder, and you need to find this application exe file. When you will run this file, you will see this port here. Okay, well, here are few security checks that I need to explain to you. When you select this connect invite and you log in, then after that you need to click the send connect button to send the connect invites to your target audience with this custom message. Okay, like it will search CEOs and you will apply all the custom filters, and then you will click the send connects button, and then our bot will use this message to send all of them. In this video we are going to show you how you can send a message to your own connections on your LinkedIn profile, or we can also say say that you are going to send the second message out to those people who accepted your connect invite recently. Okay, uh, this inbox is to send inbox messages. In that case we will need to click this button after login, and this emails is for LinkedIn sales navigator. When we check this box, then our bot will use your LinkedIn sales navigator credits to send emails. And the withdraw connects checkbox is to withdraw the connects. Like we sent the connect invites to people a month ago, and they never accepted our invite, then we can withdraw those connects from our profile. Okay, this is the greetings that our bot will auto generates, like hello, first name, hi, first name, everything it will do itself. Okay, this limit is for regular LinkedIn and premium LinkedIn. Like they allows us to send 100 invites per day, but we are sending 8 invites per day to avoid any issues. Okay, but if we use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, then LinkedIn Sales Navigator allow us to send 500 connect invites per day. In that case, we can send 500 per day, and this delay is the wait delay, means wait after sending one connect invite or one message. Okay, let me insert my credentials. We need to log in here. We are going to send the second message to our own connections on our LinkedIn profile. Our bot will search and load all the connections in our profile, and then it will start sending this custom message to them. I'm going to pause this video so our bot can scroll all of them here. When it will done, then I will resume the video from here. Okay, I think it has loaded all the profiles. Okay, message has been typed and sent. Our bot is doing all the greetings itself, and it is generating the statistics here on the board, like his name, what was the status of the message that we are going to send, this one, and the date, current date and time, and their LinkedIn profile URL. Okay, it is sending the messages, and in the meantime, if we let me show you the export function, like how we can export this data. We need to click this export data button, then we need to browse the directory. In my case, I am going to export on desktop. We also can change the format, and when we click this export button, then it will export it and ask us to open this file. We can open this file from there, and here are the statistics that you can analyze everything from here. Okay, I have tried to cover each and everything about this board in this video. uh, if I missed anything, or if you have any questions, then you can ask me. uh, I will give you this board. Now let me close the board and show you what was oops, sorry. Okay, let me show you what was the message that we were sending them. I want to show you the greetings that our bot was generating itself for the second message. Like if I click on message here, then this was the message. One second. Okay, this was my first message that I sent him on July 2, like I'm a data scientist and blah blah. And then with the second message, our bot generates that thanks for connecting a player to e-meet you, his first name. I'm a data scientist and all my message stuff. And at the end, it will say thanks, Muhammad, and again, thank you, his first name. I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I will cover each and everything for you. Take care, please. Bye bye.